We have a fairly big sized tablecloth. We have 1, 2 full-size towels. I have a small rag washcloth, a fairly heavy sweatshirt, and a hand towel, and one more rag washcloth, whatever you want to call it. So this is like a half a load. This is about a half a load before water goes in. So we'll wash these and then we'll see how they load up into the mini dryer. So because this is such a large tablecloth, I want to dry this separately from everything else because it will tangle up with the other laundry. I like to dry same size clothes or smaller. Bulky stuff, I like to do it one piece at a time. So here's a towel from our load. There's another towel, regular size towel. And these are fairly new, so they're fairly heavy. This is a hand towel. And then this is a fairly heavy, newer sweatshirt. And then of course, 2 little washcloths. Throw in there. Alright, now that is the load, minus the tablecloth, which we're going to hold back for the next go around. For this load, I'm going to turn it on, and it comes on to the red, which is the highest setting, and I'm going to use that. I figure this will take about an hour, so I'm going to move the clock to 60 minutes and then push the timer. So after 60 minutes, nice and dry, there's almost a very, very slight dampness. So it probably could have used a few more minutes. It's hard to tell when they're hot, but these have cooled down. So just a little bit of dampness. It's almost, you almost can't feel it at all. Just a little bit. So those are done. I'm happy with them. Now we have the tablecloth, which looks like all cotton. So I'm putting it in on the same setting, the hottest, which is the first one that comes up, the red one. I'm going to change it. If I wanted to change the temperature or the setting, I would do like that. But I want it on the hottest, and I want it on 20 minutes. So it's there. So now I'm going to let that go ahead and dry. That is my load of laundry that just came out. It's not pressed down. It's fluffy. And you saw what we put in. So 60 minutes did a pretty good job. This is 20 minutes and it's still slightly wet. I think it's about halfway done, so we're going to do another 20 minutes for that one tablecloth on the highest setting. And we'll be back to check it. Okay, that seems to be completely dry, so I am totally happy with that.